Eco-friendly, made from natural craft paper stock using a chlorine-free manufacturing process and integrated soy blend eco-wax, this bag supports the green movement without sacrificing function. Keep food fresh longer. The Stock Your Home Craft Brown Takeout boxes are perfect for keeping your food fresh, as well as refrigerating and microwaving takeout or leftover food. They are also an eco-friendly alternative to lunch boxes. Heat tolerant and leak-proof design. These large boxes were specially designed to hold greasy foods without having liquid seeping through. Your meals will be securely packaged in these travel-size to-go containers. They are also microwavable. Perfect for catering. Whether you're hosting a party or running a food servicing business, these containers are perfect for serving both cold and hot dishes. Great value pack. This pack contains a total of 50 boxes. Each box can hold up to 30 ounces. Product dimensions: length 4 3/8 inches, width 4 1/8 inches, height 2.5 inches, bottom length 4 5/8 inches, bottom width 3.5 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Love these. Sturdy, don't leak and very convenient. My guilt over using disposable containers eases with the fact that it's made from recycled paper and is biodegradable. It saves me from carrying plastic or glass containers that have to be washed, which piles up during a busy week. I finally gave up trying to find glass containers that don't leak and given up using plastic containers that fly around the dishwasher when washing, because I only have so much top space, and since I use at least 4 containers a day, I would quickly run out of top rack space. So I tried these and love them.